Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about the exercise 1.5 fifth question. So in previous class we saw about fourth and sixth question. Okay. So now we see the fifth question. A poet Tamil Nambi lost 35 pages of his lyrics when his file had got wet in the rain. Okay. Use integers to determine the following. So we have five questions given. So we find out the solution. Okay, first a poet Tamil Nambi lost 35 pages of his lyrics. Okay, so that poet 35 pages lost of his lyrics because wet in the rain. So the file had got wet in the rain. So malayil nananjichu. Okay. So we find out the solution, the five questions. Okay. If Tamil Nambi wrote 5 pages per day, how many days work did he lose? Okay. So the Tamil Nambi one day how many pages wrote? 5 pages. So we find how many days work did he lose? Totally 35 pages lost. Yes or no? 35 pages. So, how many days work did he lose? Okay. Let us see the solution. Total pages lost 35. Total pages lost 35. So, 5 pages wrote one day. 5 pages. See, we find 35 pages. Why? So here 35 pages only lost. Then only we find 35 pages. So 35 divided by 5. 1 5 is 5. 7 5 are 35. 7 days. So that poet Tamil Nambi lost 7 days work. So 7 நாள் வேலையை அவங்க இழந்துக்கிறாங்க. லாஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. வீணடிச்சிருக்கிறாங்க. Okay. 7 days work. Okay. So now we go to the second question. If 4 pages contained 1800 characters, letters, how many characters were lost? Okay. The 4 pages contained 1800 characters. Character means, letters, the comma, likewise. Okay. So, how many characters were lost? Okay. Here given 4 pages have 1800 characters. We find 35 pages. Okay. So then first we find 1 page. Again we find 35 pages. Okay. Listen the solution. Number of characters in 4 pages 1800. 1800. So number of characters in 1 page. So 1800 divided by 4. So 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. Remaining 2 5 4s are 20 and 0. Okay. So 450 characters. 450 characters. Okay. 450 characters. Number of characters in 1 page 450 characters. We want number of characters in 35 pages. So what we do? 35 pages. 1 page 450 means 35 pages. So we multiple now. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So 35 into 450. Now we multiple now. So 35 into 450. So 0 into 5 0 and 0 into 3 0. 5 5s are 25. Remaining 2 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 17. 4 5s are 20. Remaining 2 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. So now we add here 5 here 7 5 1. Okay. So 15,750 characters. Okay. So therefore number of characters in 35 pages 15,750 characters. Okay. So the fourth question, if Kaviman helps Tamil Nambi and they are able to produce 7 pages per day, how many days will it take to recreate the work lost? Okay. So the Kaviman helps Tamil Nambi. That friend name Kaviman. Okay. 2 numbers join and produce 7 pages per day. So 1 day for 7 pages produce. Okay. So how many days will it take to recreate the work lost? Okay. So then we find how many days will it take to recreate the work lost. Okay. To recreate. Okay. Sorry, the third question we leave it. So now we see the third question. If Tamil Nambi is paid rupees 250 for each page produced, how much money did he lose? Okay. So each page produced, the Tamil Nambi is paid rupees 250. Okay. So one page. Okay, one page produced the Tamil Nambi. How much amount paid? Rupees 250. Okay. So we find how much money did he lose? Okay. So one page 250 means we find 35 pages. Okay. Let us see the solution. Payment for one page rupees 250. So payment for 35 pages, 35 into 250. 35 into 250. So now we multiple 35 into 250. So 0, 0, 5 5s are 25, remaining 2, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 2 5s are 10, remaining 1, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7, 0, 5, 7, 8. So 8,750. So therefore he lost rupees 8,750. Okay. So the Tamil Nambi lost 8,750. Okay. So the fourth question, before only I explained, the Kaviman and Tamil Nambi produced in 1 day. Okay. How many pages? 7 pages. 7 pages. Okay. So we find the number of days need to recreate in 35 pages. Okay. So 35 divided by 7. 1 7 is 7. 5 7s are 35. Okay. So 5 days only. 5. How many days? 5 days. How many days? 5 days. Okay. So number of days need to recreate in 35 pages, 5 days only. Okay. Fifth question, Tamil Nambi pays Kaviman rupees 100 per page for his help. How much money does Kaviman receive? Okay. So Tamil Nambi pays Kaviman rupees 100. Why? So the fourth question only, Kaviman helps Tamil Nambi. Then only Tamil Nambi pays to Kaviman rupees 100. Okay, per page. So we find 35 pages. Okay, one page with 100 rupees given. So we find 35 pages. Okay. So amount received by Kaviman for one page rupees 100. So amount received by Kaviman for 35 pages, 35 into 100 rupees 3,500. Rupees 3,500. Okay. Okay. Okay, dear students. Today we saw about the exercise 1.5. The fifth question. Okay. The fifth question. 5 questions are. Okay. So remaining we will see the next video. Thank you.